And here we go. So the LinkedIn post is ready. Let's see what it's got. So, stop scrolling Reddit for content ideas. Seriously guys, today I'm building an automated agent that does it for you. We're going to write a Python script that scans trending Reddit discussions, identifies the hottest topics in your niche, and automatically writes a viral ready LinkedIn post that sounds like a human, not a robot. And we're doing it all with just one click. So let's get straight into the build. So let's be very, very broad with the specific prompts that I'm using today. I want Codewords to decide by himself or herself, whatever it is, what is going to be using to build my workflow. So I'm going to be super broad here. Use Reddit most trending AI automation. Right, so with this workflow, I want to be very broad just to see how Cody handles ambiguity in when it's creating its workflows and checking out its database. So use Reddit most trending AI automation information to turn it into something that I can package and publish onto LinkedIn as content that is formatted in a friendly, non-AI tone that is relatable, accurate, and engaging. Now, you can see there's a lot of ambiguity in this prompting that I'm doing here, and I'm doing it purposely because I'm very interested to see how Cody builds out a workflow that actually gets me what I want. So let's go over it. So Cody says, I will help you build a workflow that turns trending Reddit AI automation content into engaging LinkedIn posts. That's exactly what I wanted it to do. So it took the information that I gave it, it understood it, and now it's going through its documents and it's going through its backlog to understand all of the best practices that it's done in the past. It's going through all of the templates, it's looking through all of the tagging. Let's see if we can understand what it's done. So it's found several highly relevant templates that it can use to speed up the workflow that I'm asking it to do. Right, so it's got the perfect template, and this is a multi-platform social post generator, and it researches trending topics from Google News and Reddit, so it does even better than what I wanted. It's got Reddit and it's got Google News, but I think because I specifically asked for Reddit, it's gonna understand that and it's gonna change that and adapt it to only give me Reddit information. So as we can see, we've got a manual trigger, research Reddit trends, transform it to LinkedIn content, and format the output. So I want beautiful HTML display. So now Cody's asked me a couple of questions. Let's see what it's got. Shall I proceed with building this workflow for me? Yes, let's build it. Let's see if there are any issues and test it as we go forwards. And I hope you guys can see like the amount of depth and understanding that Cody has got, right? So the key features are there. It automatically finds the hottest information on my specific topic. It creates professional yet conversational content. If we just go up a little bit for a second, and it avoids AI sounding language. So I was very broad, very ambiguous with that information, and Cody still understood it. And I'm very interested to see the end, how it actually formats the information in a way that does sound non-AI from an AI coder. So, and then it also includes relevant hashtags, so it optimizes for LinkedIn SEO. So it's got a few questions for me. Which build style works better for you? So let's build first and test later. There we go. So I've already told Cody what I wanted to do. It started to build the to-do list. It's understood what each of the steps that it needs to do is, and it's going to go through it chronologically. And as always, it doesn't just think in the beginning and then just start building, wait for me to see the flaws and then right back to Cody say, no, I don't like this. It does all of the thinking throughout the entire process. Look, as you can see, every step of the process, it goes through a thought cycle. So 9 seconds, 2 seconds, 3 seconds. It literally analyzes all of the information and makes sure that it stays relevant to the original prompt. And this has been super quick. So it started from the template, it made sure that it got the structure and the skeleton very quickly. It started to modify to focus only on LinkedIn output, and to be honest, it stripped away the Google input so that we can only focus on Reddit. And it's now enhancing the AI prompt for friendly, relatable, non-AI tone. And as we can see in the background, Cody is going full steam ahead, just building out all of this workflow, and it will start to iterate and develop it. See, all of this information, I didn't feed Cody any of this. 1200 to 1800 characters, which is optimal for the LinkedIn length. It starts with a hook that makes people stop scrolling. This is incredibly informative information. Cody's done the research on the internet. It's found out what the best practice is, all without me having to do it myself. It's like I have a consultant, I have an executor, I have a coach, I have someone that understands the entire thing and structures it into a system, all without me. And you know what? It's taken me, 5-6 minutes to build this entire workflow? So now the workflow is developed, it's deployed. So now let's test it. Right, so yeah, let's run it with AI automation. Wait, let's see. Should I run it with AI automation as the topic, or would you like to customize the search? Right now, I'd like to do AI automation. So let's have a look. What's the question? This will take 2 to 3 minutes to research Reddit and generate the LinkedIn post. Yeah, I'm ready to start. Let's go. And as we can see, when Cody is testing and developing, it's going through each of these things, waiting for a green tick just to make sure everything's working. Using Codewords has saved me so much time over the months and weeks that I've used it. It's literally incredible. I really think that Codewords is the future of no-code automation. Forget no-code automation, all automation. And here we go. So the LinkedIn post is ready. Let's see what it's got. So a robot just opened a noodle shop in Hangzhou, and this surprised me. It's reportedly developing, hold on, let's read it. It's reportedly delivering real wok hei, no human chef on the line. I had to read that twice. This is incredible. This does not sound like AI at all. Beyond the novelty, this is a fascinating snapshot of where AI automation is actually useful. High heat, repeatable tasks where timing and consistency matter more than improvisation. Think about what a kitchen like this might be doing well. Ultra consistent high heat and timing, sensory feedback without the ego, and traceability. This is so valuable in terms of the content that is delivered, and it's delivered it with the character count, which is perfect length for LinkedIn. It's given me the hashtags that I can use, and all I need to do is a little bit of formatting to actually post this onto LinkedIn. So what was researched? The trending topics: an automated AI restaurant just opened in Hangzhou. It's actually serving up wok hei, and it's literally the information that I wanted from it. So Cody's asking, am I happy with the LinkedIn post? Does it match the friendly, relatable tone? Yes, it's perfect. I really like this. It did it so much better than I thought it was going to be able to do it. Perfect. So now the workflow is ready. I can access my workflow right here, Reddit to LinkedIn content creator or content generator, and it literally shows me how to use it as well. So click the link. The workflow defaults to AI automation, but I can customize it if I ever want to change the information. I can click run and wait 20 to 30 seconds, and then I can get my formatted LinkedIn post and paste it directly to LinkedIn. And the reason that this is special because it's always fresh content. So it pulls the information from the latest Reddit discussions each time. So every time I press this trigger right here, the manual trigger, every time I press it, it will just keep automating it, keep updating it until I get to the most updated and relevant information. It sounds authentically human, and it has engaging questions as well. So, and on top of that, it's optimized for LinkedIn through the code that we've already seen. And I did not even know what optimization for LinkedIn looks like. This is why it's so important. It has so much important, relevant data here that I would have never been able to provide for Cody myself. Literally, this is what we started with, and look what Cody's been able to develop in literally just 10 minutes. I'm sorry, not even 10 minutes. It's been 8 minutes, and Cody was able to develop all of this. So guys, I think this is super useful. If you want to run the workflow yourself, I'm going to leave the link down below for you to change this, adapt it for whatever it is that you want to have on LinkedIn yourself. You can change it from AI automation to whatever you want. You can customize this to whatever tone of voice you want and run this for your own self. I hope you guys see how much value that Cody has provided both myself and my clients in the past. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll catch you in the next one.